Hi everyone, just want to make a quick video to show you the difference in a number of guitar neck plates here. Hopefully it helps in a decision that you may have regarding buying them and putting them on a homemade guitar or a project guitar that you're working on. So the first couple neck plates that are quite common on the Fender Squier series would be from the Classic Vibe set. These are very thick. They're very durable. The only downside with these, if you're swapping them out at least, is the screws. The screws are giant. You can see the difference. These are definitely a Chinese made screw. And if you compare the head diameter compared to a classic Fender screw, it is obviously different. And people are quite surprised when they swap a plate out, and it's definitely not the best look. So if you are switching the Classic Vibe neck plate off, you would definitely want to get a set of screws that would be more in line with the more in line with the hole spacing on the neck plates. Okay, so the next plate that we have here is a Fender F plate, and these are the ones that are commonly sold for about $15 or so. The downside with a plate like this is you can just see how thin it is. Even if I compare it to the Squier plate side by side, it's almost half the width there, right? But still good quality, solid steel. Like this plate is solid steel, solid steel, solid steel with the F plate. Now what I find very interesting here is these plates, the Fender Custom Shop Design neck plates. Again, very good quality, quite thick, about the same thickness as the Squier neck plate, much thicker than the F plate, as you can see. But one thing that I found disappointing is that it is not solid steel. So this is made from like a pot metal, just like a mix of metals, which is lower price and in my opinion lower quality. So interesting that you have these magnetic solid steel plates and you get to a custom shop, which is their top line, and no magnetism there. Okay, now one thing that I did want to show you obviously are the plates that I offer, and these are custom shop designed neck plates, no association with Fender. I do not have the Fender name stamped on these, just a custom shop designed logo, which is in fact different from the Fender Custom Shop logo. It's similar, but the chevron logo, the real inspiration for this would be the Chevy car and custom designed cars. So if you take a look at a Chev, it's got that nice V logo. Fender Custom Shop has a slightly different logo with a line coming down the middle. Their font is slightly different as well. Okay, so these plates, same specs as far as measurements go, and very thick. And of course I wanted to show you that these are indeed the solid steel neck plates. Okay, now I have them in a number of different designs. I've got this limited edition USA in chrome gold. I've got the classic chevron V logo in chrome or gold. And what you're going to get is you're going to get obviously the plate in a package like so, and I'm also going to throw in the mounting screws. So these are Phillips oval head number 8 measuring in at 1 3/4 inches, if you can read that there. Okay, so compared to a Fender screw, the head size is identical. The only thing that you'll notice between them is that the Fender has an extra thread right to the top, and mine have a little bit of spacing there, so it will seat perfectly into your guitar neck. Okay, got a few more plates being designed for 2017, and one of my favorite ones is this nice matte finish. So no longer are you getting fingerprints, if you can see that there in the light. No fingerprints on these plates. Well, there you can see a smudge versus the nice matte finish. And I'll have these in all the different designs, and also in chrome and gold is what I'm trying to say, as email messages flood through on my phone here. Okay, so if you have any questions, please contact me. You can visit the Custom Shop Designed Guitar store as my phone's ringing, and you could check out my eBay store for the best deals. So starting at $9.99, going up to $25 Canadian, depending on the quality of the plate, if there's any flaws. I do sell B stocks as well. And for the builders out there, I know you're quite particular about what kind of plate you put on, and you want it absolutely mint. So I'd go through and I'd hand select the plates for you to ensure you're getting exactly what you want, and ultimately you're going to be very happy with your product. So I've shipped to over 45 countries for the last 5 years, and not a single complaint. Here to help you out if you have any questions. Okay, take care. Thanks.